Hey, what's up mga Choy? It's your boy Choy Choy. For today's video mga Choy, meron akong ukulele tutorial na gagawin tong video nito mga Choy. At kaya please support my ukulele tutorial mga Choy kasi this is my first time na gagawa ko ng ukulele tutorial dito sa YouTube channel. If you want to learn ukulele mga Choy, please watch this. See that you're tired. If you feel it, I'm the one who understands you. We belong alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Ayun mga Choy, thank you so much for watching and I hope mayroon na kayo natutunan nitong You Belong With Me by Ukulele Tutorial. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel mga Choy for more ukulele tutorial. Bye! God bless!